Okay, so here we go. First off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Thomas, if you're here, again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how you could increase the value of your company and get some more exposure online with Google and generate some more traffic. There's a few key factors that go into that: content, backlinks, and citations. And just kind of jumping into this, we know that this is the Google search bar, and everything that you type into here, those are considered to be keywords. And Google uses those keywords to find websites that best fit for the search criteria. That's considered search engine optimization, or SEO. Millions and millions of websites are crawled daily by Google, checking for content relevant to the keywords that are typed in here. And then those websites are categorized based on that. And that is how you establish rank. Now, 1,500 to 2,000 keywords of content on your site is what you would like to have, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So, for example, I typed in here kitchen cabinets Fayetteville. That's what you guys do: kitchen remodeling, construction, home repair. So this is what I came up with here. Of course, we have some ads on the top, and we have the map section, or the map pack as it's called. This is directly related to a Google Business Profile. If you don't have a Google Business Profile, it would be highly recommended to build one. It directly connects your business to the citations that you have and help you rank in the map, along with your area of service and the location that you're at. Citations are anything that have name, address, and phone number that directly reflect your Google Business Profile. Directories for citations include things like Yellow Pages, BBB, Angie, Yelp, things like that. That's how the rank structure is created for the map section. And being in the maps creates a lot of local traffic, and that generates more leads. And obviously, that becomes more business when people are searching for things near me. Underneath the map is websites and businesses that are organically ranked. So if you've ever wondered, how does a company or a business end up on the first page of Google? It's through organic ranking, and that has to do with content, backlinks, keywords. So we have a couple here. I chose to go with number 3 and number 4 just to give you an example, because we do have 3 best custom cabinets in Fayetteville here. Brock Cabinets is one of them. So to take a look at Brock Cabinets, I pulled them up. This is their website. And the tool that I use to kind of go behind the scenes and see how they're ranking and what's inside there internally is a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs shows me how many backlinks they have, domains, keywords, and the amount of traffic. Now, backlinks is a key ranking factor. It's where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust in you. It creates popularity. One thing to consider or to understand as well is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you definitely want a backlink with a strong domain rank, and plenty of traffic. You wouldn't necessarily want a backlink from Pizza Hut coming back to you. It won't carry as much weight and as much power as another cabinet or construction company might, linking back to your website. Again, we have keywords. 155 keywords generating 256 views per month in traffic. So to get a look at how this works and what that's kind of generating, these are the search volumes per month that these keywords get searched. So we don't want to, Brock Cabinets, that's a name, 900 times. Astrocraft, almost 2,000 times a month. Cabinets North Carolina, 200 times a month. Cabinets Fayetteville, 70. Kitchen Cabinets Fayetteville, 70. Cabinets in North Carolina, 200. Cabinets North Carolina, 200. So you kind of get the idea here. With the right content and the keywords built into your website, this generates a lot of exposure for you and your business, because these are the keywords and phrases that are being searched. So it'll automatically, Google will recognize your website and direct the traffic to you through this. The other Let me see, the other one that I had, I think, was customedgewoodcabinetry.com, number 4. So 3 and 4. So we have Custom Edgewood here. Again, I plugged them into the same tool, and I found this very interesting. So they have 1.6 thousand backlinks, 814 referring domains, 5,000 keywords, generating almost 2,000 views of traffic per month. So you might think to yourself, well, they have almost 2,000 views of traffic. They have 256 views. Well, the proof is in the pudding in this particular aspect. You know, they have 1.6 thousand backlinks. These guys have 12,000 backlinks. So let's take a quick look so I can give you a good example. Let's take the first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The domain rank and the traffic coming through them. Let's take a look at the first 10 for these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The rank of the domain, not strong, not strong, not strong, not strong, and the traffic that is pulling, zeros across the board. So this is a great example of having a strong backlinks, which Google uses to consider how you're being recognized from other companies and from other websites. So maybe you have a better understanding of how a well-built site should be put together and what its potential is for you when you bring your content, your backlinks, your citations, Google Business Profile, area of coverage. Google starts to recognize you. You start to move yourself up the rank structure, and this is how you get positioned on the first page. Without a decently built website, it's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. You don't get seen. A lot of companies build great websites, but they'll fall short when it comes to the content. And you might ask yourself, well, I just got a website built, but I'm not getting a lot of traffic. It's because you really need to focus on the critical things that rank you and expose you for the services that you offer. So with that, I hope you have a better understanding. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions or comments or would like to reach out, I'd be more than happy to speak with you. Thanks and have a nice day.